What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights in the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe, man. If you have forgot to subscribe, I got a ton of people watching the channel, especially over this last month, who have yet to subscribe, and maybe if you ain't subscribed yet, I must assume that you can't have on notifications. So those people are missing out on these plays that I'm calling. If you've been watching the channel, we called the Shiba Inu breakout right before it happened. We called the Inu breakout, that's going even crazier right now, up 100% in the last 7 days, right before it happened. So we putting these plays out here in front of y'all so that way y'all can be better informed investors. So make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on your money. Now we got the Shiba Inu Reddit page here. I just wanted to quickly go through the sentiment of the community. I wanted to go look at the price, do a little technical analysis, and try to determine where the price is likely to head after these two major catalysts that we got. What two catalysts are those? We got Shibarium coming up, possibly February 14th, Valentine's Day. And then we have the CPI report data coming in February 14th as well. So that is two different catalysts that could likely be in the benefit of Shiba Inu. If we see positive CPI data, inflation reducing, Federal Chairman Jerome Powell says, green light for a softer landing, he's speaking kind of dovish, then we can expect that to affect the crypto markets as a whole in a positive way. And then if we get Shibarium releasing at the same time, oh, it's a wrap, y'all. Y'all already know it's about to get good. So we'll talk about where the price could possibly get to leading up to Shibarium, and that's without any specific, or excuse me, up until the possible release of Shibarium February 14th. That's without the team coming out and officially dropping it on us. Because remember, that February 14th date that we're pulling from is from us connecting a few dots within Satoshi's bio. So just purchased $200, 200 bucks worth of SHIB, says a new investor, it looks like. So let's see what we got. I know my mouse didn't die on me. Okay, there we go. So someone says 1 cent pipe dream or possibility. It is absolutely possible that Shiba Inu can reach 1 cent. We have Shibarium on the way. Shibarium is supposed to, not financial advice, I don't know for sure, we haven't got the official word, but it's been speculated that Shibarium combined with shibaswap 2.0 will help us burn over 100 trillion tokens per year. Satoshi Kasuma even responded and said, when someone asked that, Satoshi replied and said, basically, that's the plan, or that's the goal, something similar along those lines. So also someone says, feel like reposting what I wrote last year on here. So we got people who's been around showing that we got investors really holding for more than a year. That's what I take from this. Now, yes, he could have said something really good in there, but we just trying to quickly go through the community sentiment. So someone else says, remember to zoom out. We are up 71% from a month ago. One red day for consolidation is totally normal. So after we've been seeing what we've been seeing, Shiba Inu kind of breaking out to that 17 level, I believe 16 level, you gotta expect it to retrace. There's gonna be some people who've been held underwater for a very long time who have to take some profits. You just have to understand, what is your goal? Are you a short-term investor looking to make short-term gains, or are you a long-term investor planning to hold through the ups and downs no matter what? It's all up to you. Or you can use a mixed strategy and have multiple bags. Use this bag for a long-term strategy, use these bags over here for short-term. It's all up to you. So when she reaches 1 cent, what's the first thing people do? Let me know in the comment section, what's the first thing you plan on doing when Shiba Inu reaches that 1 cent level? And you really got to speak it into existence, plan for it, pray for it, really try to pull it forth into reality, so that way, you can be doing everything in your power to make it happen, and that energy just, it spreads through the entire SHIB army, man. And we all do what we got to do to make this goal happen. So I understand someone says how futile it is to map trends in crypto. That being said, do you think we can hold momentum? So we'll get to that in 1 second. We'll take a look at the charts. Shiba will shock the world. Guys, I have a question. Is this project related to Shiba? So I'm seeing a lot of projects gearing up to be, the first official projects on Shibarium. So we already got some hype surrounding it. Like, Shibarium is not going to be a joke, y'all. This is a very, very big deal. If you're new to the crypto space and you don't understand, Shibarium is our own blockchain. So, this is making Shiba Inu a more value coin. Technically, bone token, but Shibarium is built. Shibarium is built for the Shiba Inu network. But let's take a look at Let's take a look at the charts real quick. I already went through all the Shiba Inu community members pages, basically the Twitters, and nobody really had any major updates for today. But however, Shiba Inu is trending on Twitter. We had over 41,000 tweets or mentions, if I'm not mistaken. This was just in the last 24 hours. So Shiba Inu is heating up. That's another sign under the surface that the word is starting to spread. Once more people start talking about it, they start pushing it out to people on the sidelines, new money starts to come in, taking the price higher. This is what's about to happen. So we got overall crypto market cap sitting at 1.07 trillion, up 0.61% in the last day. Bitcoin sitting at $22,929, Ethereum at 1639, BNB at 328, XRP 39 cent. We got Cardano at 38 cent, Doge at 9, Matic at 121, Solana 2305, Shiba Inu at 12th place by market cap. If you think it's any cap to what we spend right here, just go back and check my channel, the last maybe 10 to 20 videos, not even, but you can see maybe, I'll say maybe 6 videos ago, I just did a video saying do not miss Shiba Inu's run to top 10 crypto. Right now we're at number 12. We still got 2 more spots to, one more spot. Second spot is Polygon to pass up, and then we'll be in the top 10 cryptocurrencies. All we need to do right now is reach a $10.6 billion market cap. Shiba Inu can easily add another $3 billion in market cap, which would put us, over that number 10 position, well, which would leave us in the 10th position. If people get excited, enough whales come in, enough these conglomerates of smart money, we can say institutional money, whatever we want to call it, these people are waiting on the sidelines deciding what to do. I've been telling y'all that they are getting bored, they're getting tired of sitting, with the prices being low, they're getting tired of their money not being deployed into the market. Some of these people have so much money that their only job is to figure out what to do with that money. So if you can't figure out what to do with that money, you start to lose some of that money. So these people are going to see Shiba Inu, Volt Inu, projects like this, BNB, ETH, Bitcoin, XRP, they're going to see these different projects, and connect the dots themselves and say, we can't sit around and wait any longer. We seen what happened the first few times Shiba Inu went parabolic and people printed hundreds of thousands and millions of dollars. So these people aren't going to want to miss that. So just, connect the dots, understand what's coming. Let's take a closer look at Shiba Inu under the hood so we can just determine what's likely to play out next. Overall market is green right now slightly. We've seen it down a little bit. So, could be forming some type of, could be a flag forming here, which is very, very bullish. It will give us a breakout to our next, target level. But let's see. Where should this one even take us to? Let's just see something real quick. This is just a rough estimate, y'all. Just a rough estimate. Okay, so it's showing, we definitely need to go into, so we went up right to that 1600 level, showing we got a little bit more momentum up to the 1700s, and then we will be testing that next level of 1798. Now, if we can break that 1798 resistance level, this is a strong resistance level here for us. Okay, my bad, y'all. Let me adjust this. Let me adjust this, make sure y'all can see what I see. Okay, so now if we break this level here, so we kind of had a cup and handle pattern forming, somewhat here, right here, got the cup, the handle, retracement, and then that breakout right there. So this momentum could take us to around, targeting this, basically the 1800 level, I would say. High 17s. Well, really it says between 1692 and about that 1804 level, we could target somewhere in there. But remember, with Shibarium coming, I don't see that being a strong resistance level. I think we could blow past that. But then we would have another area here around that 2095 points per coin level. Of course, if we break that level, then we go around to that 3000 points per coin level, and then that's when things can get very, very interesting. At that level, we'll have so much hype, so much FOMO kicking in that that just might continue to blast us even further. So I'm bullish right now. I expect this to continue, but let's look at some of our indicators to determine what is likely to happen based on the book. So RSI, we got the Bollinger Bands up. RSI, let's grab the MACD as well. Okay, so looking at this off the rip, let's get a closer look in. So we can see the price basically broke into those upper Bollinger Bands. We do start to see selling pressure here, which is obvious. So if you were trading, a short-term trader, you would have knew to take profits around once this price breaks out of the upper Bollinger Band and you start to see it begin to retrace. So we seen, you know, it break outside of that. We do see the candles getting smaller. This was a big move up right here. The size of this candle, you know, shows a lot of confidence. It shows that people were certain in this move that to the upside right here. So it's not likely that, you know, it's going to just erase this entire, you know, candle. So we could see some slight pullback, you know, where it just pulls back slightly and continues on that run because we got so much good news coming up. Or, you know, on a slighter, you know, not too good scenario, not bad, but just not the best, we can see it pull back and retrace around that 1252. And that's not even a bad retracement. That would still be good because it would be above our previous resistance area and it would hold that new support level, which you know, gives us some confidence that we're gonna buyers will step in at that area and take the price further. So we got RSI at a 76 right now. We know RSI means relative strength index. If it's above a 70, means that is overbought. Right now Shiba Inu is overbought, but we got so many bullish catalysts coming up that this can just be a part of some of the momentum. We can see the RSI get all the way up to 80, 86, 89, you know, that's possible. 35 and below is considered oversold. So right now MACD is above that signal line. It is kind of, you know, paralleling out to the line underneath it, and you know, we want to just kind of watch for that MACD. If it starts to pull back, that can be a sign that, you know, investors will start to go short, especially if it crosses under this signal line here. So, you know, right now it's looking like, you know, Shiba Inu wants to follow the rest of the market. We do got some major catalysts coming up. If we get the team to drop a date on us, that will send it, you know, parabolic basically. If we don't get the team to drop a date on us and we just move up to that point, then I can see Shiba Inu slowly, you know, increasing leading up to February 14th. So keep that in mind. And then, you know, there's a saying, buy the rumor, sell the news. We could see some retracement if there, you know, is not a lot of, you know, excitement surrounding the release, or if that release doesn't happen on February 14th. Also take a look at the volume here. We got the volume down 43%. So that's also a sign that the markets are likely to begin to pull back. So I'm looking forward to hold that 1252 level, you know, somewhere around there. And then, you know, possibly we got, you know, it gives it a little time to, you know, breathe. It has to, you know, inhale, exhale, pump, correct. And you know, I'm looking forward to possibly hold that support, and then we continue with this momentum as we get closer to the release of Shibarium. So that's all we got for this video. Shiba Inu right now sitting at $7.9 billion market cap, y'all. That is absolutely bonkers. We just need around a $10.3 billion market cap to enter that top 10 cryptocurrencies again. So appreciate y'all for pulling up. We are out.